Hi, I'm Steph, and I currently have my Oru Kayak Inlet on my back. So recently I bought the Oru Kayak Inlet pack, and this is basically a backpack that you put on your back, and they say you can fly with it, hike with it, put it in your car. And I will tell you, this is a $200 pack, so I haven't bought it before, and the only reason I got it now is actually a big thank you to those that have watched my previous videos. When you buy a Oru kayak and you use my friend link down below, you get some money off of your kayak, and I get a couple bucks to spend on Oru's website. So it's a win-win for all of us. So I actually had enough to be able to get this pack, so thanks those that have used that link. But I wanted to get it and kind of try it out and share my thoughts on it. So I will say I just was gonna film just like trying it out, and then I tried it out and I was like really amazed with it. So what you're about to see is me putting in the Oru Lake for the first time and putting it on my back, and I was like really impressed. All right, so here it is. Oop, I hit my dog with the box. It feels silly, but it actually is not uncomfortable at all. I actually have, so this is the lake. I'm gonna try the inlet next because it's actually made for the inlet specifically. It is not that bad, I will tell you. I actually have some neck and shoulder and back issues, and this actually kind of is like making my back really flat, and so it's not really that bad. I mean, I don't think I would carry it a long distance, but I kind of been interested to take this somewhere on a hike. I didn't think I'd actually do that. But this is not bad, and it's pretty well like secure. There's good straps everywhere, so I'm actually way more surprised by that than I thought I would be. I'm kind of thinking this is like the perfect thing to help with my posture, actually. Maybe I need to do this like once a day, walk around with my Oru, you know. I'm pretty impressed with this bag. I'm gonna try to get the paddle in it. It fit the paddle really well. I would have to figure out how to put my life jacket on it, maybe up top. Actually, I'm gonna go try that right now. Hold on. Okay, so I just put my life jacket on this. Now, it's not the most elegant way, and there's probably a better way to put it on there, and I could probably figure that out, but it works. So, I mean, the life jacket, the only other thing is I would need to figure out how to bring water with me, but yeah, this is like really doable. So, and my mom's here, so let's have her try it, because I'm excited to see what she thinks of it. So, Mom, this is the pack that holds the inlet and the lake. So currently the inlet is in this bag. There's a life jacket and there's paddle. Okay. And I've been super impressed with it. So it feels actually really nice.
Okay, well, try it.
Okay, so it's easier if you bend down. Okay, and then there's the bottom. Oh. Put the bottom strap on.
Okay.
What do you think?
Actually, it's not bad.
I know, right?
Although it's very well balanced.
Yeah.
It's very well distributed.
That's what I thought.
Yes. Are you helping? Huh? Don't push me over. Well, don't knock me
Don't
over.
push her over.
Oh. Be like,
Mac, Tosh.
be like one of those cartoon characters. Yeah. Uh-huh. Are you laughing at me? Making sure I don't fall over?
So it's comical, but it works. Okay, be careful. Okay.
Okay, I definitely would have to sit.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
not get on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so Mom's tried it, and she can wear it. I mean,
Wear it.
it wouldn't be something she would wear often.
No.
No. But so, yeah, so I'll let you know how I like it in the real world and all that. So thanks for joining. Have a great day. Great.
Great.
Like that thing, like a greyhound. And the other thing, the other one over there. There's the other one.
Yes, puppies.
There she
You're
is.
so helpful.
They're pretty great.